Welcome everyone. Today we will be doing one-step equation, and we are trying to solve basically unbuild the equations. So we have done unbuild the equations before, where we use the opposite of order of operations, which is called reverse order of operations, for PEMDAS. Remember, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Since we're going opposite order, we go backward when we're solving. So we start with subtraction, then we move on to addition, division, multiplication, exponent, and finally the parenthesis. So here's our first problem. 4 plus x equals 8. Remember, we are trying to solve for the variable x. What should I add 4 with to get 8? Okay, so algebraically, we need to follow the reverse order of operation. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look for the sign between the x and 4, which is plus. Okay, that also means there is a plus in front of that 4, positive 4. Okay, there's invisible positive. We do not write any sign if it's positive. It's the default mode, right? So the sign between x and 4 is that positive sign, so we have to do opposite of positive, which is negative sign. Okay, so plus 4, we're going to add negative 4 to both sides, one to the left and one to the right. Now, what decides what side is what is this equal sign? Your equal sign is the center. 1, negative 4, you're going to add before that equal sign, and the 1 has to go after that equal sign. Okay, so on this side, 4 and negative 4 get canceled. I'll be left with x, if I drop that x down, right, because that's what is left. I have equal sign, and then I have 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the value of my x equals 4 is the answer. If I want to test my solution, I can go and plug this back in my x values, because that is 4. So let's check our answer. Is 4 plus 4 equal 8? It is. So x equals 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move into next example, where we have positive x minus 3 equal to. Again, we have minus 3. So what's the opposite of minus? Think about it. Okay, it has to be plus 3. Okay, can I just put plus 3 on one side? Remember that plus 3, one has to go before equal sign and one after the equal sign on both sides. Okay, draw the line, drop your x. Minus 3 and plus 3 cancels, and we're left with x equals 5. Again, you can check your answer by plugging it back in the equation. Again, plug your x value as 5. 5 minus 3, is that going to give me 2? It does. So I automatically know that my answer is correct. Okay, so if it's plus 4, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. If it's minus 3, I'm adding 3 to the both sides. Okay, we have another example where we have 3x equals 6. Remember, when I say 3x, it means 3 times x. Okay, it's not 3 plus x, it's 3 times x. So what's the opposite of times? The opposite of times is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Okay, 1 before the equal sign and 1 after the equal sign to create that balance. Then I'm going to get 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. Equal 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay. Again, we can check our answer. Is 3 times 2 equals 6? Yes, it is. So we know our answer is right. Let's go to the last one. Okay. So I have this sign x. We'll see that as divided by 5. Basically, this means x over 5. Okay. We see the division sign in different form. Like we have that as division sign, right? We also have slash as division sign, and we have over like a fraction as a division sign. So you should be able to understand that all those 3 symbols represent division sign. So we have division, x over 5 equals 10, and the opposite of division is multiplication. Okay, again, we are looking to isolate the x by itself. So I need to find the opposite of division, which is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. Okay, 5 to the left and 5 to the right. Okay, you can put a dot or you can put a parenthesis if you like. Again, 5 goes in 5 one time. That gives me x equal 10 times 5 is 50. Okay, so let's check our answer again. 50 divided by 5, is that equal to 10? Yes, it is. So I know 100% that my answer is correct, right? So we solved 4 different types of one-step equations, one with addition, one with subtraction, one with multiplication, and one with division. We also used reverse order of operation to solve the variable x. For plus 4, we use minus 4. For minus 3, we use plus 3. For multiplication of 3, we divided by 3. And for division of 5, we multiplied by 5. So hopefully you guys understand how to solve one-step equations. I hope you guys can practice more problems and get better at it. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.
Like, subscribe and follow at Supermath Guru, K4C. And do not forget to practice every day.